Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're looking to take your content creation, vlogging, or live streaming to the next level, Canon just made your decision a whole lot easier. Introducing the Canon EOS R50 V, bundled with the new RF-S14-30mm f4 to 6.3 IS STM PZ ultra-wide power zoom lens, a compact and capable APS-C mirrorless setup that's built for creators on the go. First off, let's talk about the camera body. The EOS R50 V is based on Canon's beloved APS-C mirrorless platform, featuring a 24.2 MP CMOS sensor powered by the Digic X processor. You get stunning detail, fast autofocus, and reliable performance whether you're shooting 4K video or high-resolution stills. What makes the V in R50 V stand out is its creator-first features. There's vertical video support, clean HDMI out, USB live streaming, and Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which means fast, accurate eye and face tracking. Whether you're recording yourself or filming others, the R50 V keeps your subject razor sharp. Now, let's talk about the RF-S14-30mm PZ Lens. This is a game changer. It's an ultra-wide power zoom made for vloggers, YouTubers, and anyone needing dynamic framing in tight spaces. It goes from 14mm wide, perfect for capturing interiors, landscapes, or handheld vlogs, to 30mm for a more natural field of view. The Power Zoom PZ feature gives you smooth, silent zoom transitions, making it ideal for cinematic content or live streams without any lens noise. Plus, it's image stabilized, so your handheld footage stays steady even when you're walking and talking. The R50 V shoots uncropped 4K at 30 fps, uses Canon Log 3 for more advanced color grading workflows, and has an intuitive variangle LCD touchscreen for perfect framing every time. You also get a 3.5mm mic input, hot shoe for accessories, and full support for Canon's digital lens corrections. Weighing just over a pound with the lens attached, this is one of the most travel-friendly, all-in-one mirrorless kits you can buy in 2025. Whether you're a TikToker, YouTuber, or live streaming on Twitch, the Canon EOS R50 V with RF-S14-30mm PZ lens delivers professional quality without the bulk or complexity. Hit the link below to grab yours now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more no-nonsense reviews right here on Gadgetverse.